Oh, he's jumped the lights. All the gear and no idea here, doesn't know how the traffic lights work. And there's one on the pavement. Yes. And there's another one on the pavement. Jump in the lights, jump in the lights. Pair of twats, jump in the lights. Now, you've got a bloody road in this country, you fool. Another one. And back on the pavement again, dickhead. Oh, and he nearly ran into another dickhead. Long way down a one-way street. Oh, he's jumped the lights. A scumbag on the pavements. Jump in the lights, and an illegal right turn, and on the pavement. What a dick. Another one on the pavement there. And there's one on the pavement. And there's one cycling on the pavement there. What's he doing? Oh, he's going to ride on the wrong side of the road, is he? And there's a pillock on the wrong side of the road. What are you thinking? Jump in the lights. 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 And there's one cycling on the pavement. Another one on the pavement. There's a twat on the pavement there. There's one on the pavement. What a dick. There's a keep left sign there. Got a feeling she's going to ignore it. Yes, she is. Wrong side of the keep left sign, jump in the lights, and on the pavement. One there cycling on the pavement. Look at this twat. Another one. And here's one going the wrong way up a one-way street. And there's one on the wrong side of the road. He's got his baseball cap on wrong as well. Jump in the lights, jump in the lights, jump in the lights, jump in the lights. Jump in the lights, jump in the lights.
Give you a hand with the scooter.
And there's one on the pavement. Fuck's sake. Bloody moron. Oh, he's jumped the lights. What a dickhead. Yeah. Fucking idiot. There's another one cycling on the pavement. And there's one on the pavement. Oh, he's figured out what the road's for.